Welcome to Primetime News. I'm Anupama Suvarna, wishing all our viewers Merry Christmas. And now the headlines. Slavery in the name of religion, Nidumamidi Shri condemn Madesnana. National Consumer Day, Dakshina Kannada awareness very low. Madrasa Hifazat Committee demands WAC President suspension. It's a duty of each and every individual to take up cudgels against some superstitious rituals in the name of religion, which are nothing but symbols of slavery, said Sri Veerabhadra Channamalla Swamiji of Nidumamidi, Mahasamsthana Mutt, Bangalore. He was speaking after inaugurating a Padayatra from Mangalore to Udupi, organized by the Communist Party of Indian Marxists in front of the DC office, opposing the Madesnana ritual observed in Kukke Subramanya temple and the Pankti Beda at the Sri Krishna Mutt at Udupi. The Nidumamidi Shri further said that some people who could assure the Supreme Court stay to the High Court ruling against Madesnana were celebrating as if it was their victory. No individual who has an inner conscience will support such rituals, he added.
इंक़िलाब जिंदाबाद CPIM जिंदाबाद ಯಾವ ದೇವರು ಮೆಚ್ಚೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಲು ಎಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉರುಳು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಸಂದೇಶ ನೀಡಿದವರನ್ನು ನಂಬಿದ ದೇವರು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲಾರ
ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೇ ಘೋಷಣೆಯು ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬಾರದು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ
ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ್ದು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಧರ್ಮ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಃಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಚೈತನ್ಯವಾಗಿಸಬೇಕೇ ವಿನಃ, ಅಂತಃಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಜ್ವಲಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕೇ ವಿನಃ ಅಸಹಾಯಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಅಸಹಾಯಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಧರ್ಮ ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಜನರನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಥ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನ ಅಸಹಾಯಕರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ವರ್ಣ ಜಾತಿಯ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಾರತಮ್ಯವನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಿರಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರನ್ನ ಬೌದ್ಧಿಕವಾಗಿ ದಾಸರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರನ್ನ ದೈನ್ಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಆಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಕುಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆಚರಣೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಬರೀ ಕುಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯದ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ, ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಅಷ್ಟಮಠಗಳ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಠಗಳ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥ ಅಸಹ್ಯಕರವಾದ ಅಮಾನವೀಯವಾದ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು ಯಾವ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರಬಾರದು, ಯಾವ ದೇವಾಲಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇರಬಾರದು, ಯಾವ ಮಠಗಳು ಇಂಥ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬಾರದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾದ ನಿಲುವು.
The priestly class, which was making good use of the innocence of the Malay Kudiyas, was keeping the tradition alive for its own interest. There is a need to launch this movement after convincing the Malay Kudiyas and involving them in the agitation, the Shri further said. We are of the strong belief that the Supreme Court ruling would be against these two practices. In case of any adverse ruling, then the fight will continue until the practice is banned, the Shri declared. P. Srinivas Rao, CPIM Central Politburo member, who also urged the people to be part of the agitation and not to allow some vested interest to keep such superstitious practices alive.
But it didn't tell that service to God is to service to human being. God is not discriminating. In the eyes of the God, all human beings are equal. But in the name of God, these human beings are divided by the rulers and these religious fundamentalists. So this fight is against the age-old practices. Still must explain the people why they are not allowing, why they are allowing these practices. We know the police may be recorded even our speeches also. Why not they recorded these discriminating practices in Kukateswara temple or the Krishna Mat in Udupi, which are Bheda Bhava is continuing, where this Edasnana, where this Madesnana is continuing. What is the difference? We don't know. Nobody knows difference between the Madesnana and Edasnana.
Maruti Mannade, CPIM State Secretariat member, B. Madhava District President, Sunil Kumar Bajal and others were present. As many as 56 consumer clubs in the district run by various educational institutions were helping in spreading awareness on rights of consumers, said M.J. Salyan, President of Dakshina Kannada District Federation of Consumer Organizations. He was speaking at the National Consumer Day program jointly organized by the District Administration, Department of Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs FCSCA, Dakshina Kannada District Federation of Consumer Organizations, Dakshina Kannada District National Service Scheme NSS and Consumer Club of Mangalore University College at Ravindra Kala Bhavan. Salyan further said the level of consumer awareness was very low in the district and urged the Deputy Commissioner to start a Consumer Protection Council in the district at the earliest. Deputy Commissioner N. Prakash, who presided over the function, said the district was yet to take full advantage of the Consumer Protection Act, which gives a powerful tool at the hands of the consumer. There is a need to sensitize the rural masses on the Act, he asserted. The function was earlier inaugurated by Parvati Appaya, in charge Principal of University College, Gananath Ekkar, NSS Convener of Mangalore University, Sharana Basappa, Deputy Director of District Food and Civil Supplies Department were among others present on the occasion. Now take a short commercial break. Madrasa Hifazat Committee demands WAC President suspension.